Okay friends, so now that we have synchronized our audio and video, or not, we now need to create a new project. And a new project, like a project is basically the file that you're going to be exporting. So we hit new project over here, and it's going to ask us for a few options. So project name, untitled project, it's not very helpful. Let's call it org 2019 favorites. It's the project is within the event. And because we're just going one library, one event, one project, it doesn't really matter. But for example, if you were doing multiple types of videos, so like one thing that I sometimes do is I'll have a single project in a single event in a single library for a video. But then once I've done that video, I'll create a second project, which will have the dimensions for an Instagram square video. And I will do an Instagram video edit, just copying and pasting stuff from my primary project into my Instagram square project. Equally, if I was making a 4x5 video for Instagram or a sort of 1080 by 1920 video for Instagram stories, that's fully vertical video, I could create new projects out of that. But that's kind of complicated. When we're just starting out, just one library, one event, one project. Starting timecode, we can leave that blank. Video 4K, resolution, whatever that is. Most people just getting started will be doing 1080, which is absolutely fine. I'm going to do this one in 4K just because why not? Rendering Apple ProRes 422, we can just leave that blank. There's all sorts of different renders and codecs and all this stuff, which I don't really know what it means. But the great thing is that you don't really need to know what it means. All we have to do as video editors, as YouTubers, is understand vaguely what's going on. We don't need to dive down deep into the details. Audio stereo, 48 kilohertz. I know that when I record audio onto my external audio recorder that it records in 48 kilohertz. So, you know, you could pick 44.1. Usually I would just go with whatever the default is. And so I'm going to hit OK. We've now created a new project, and you'll notice this timeline has now gone blank. So we have this main storyline that's a little bit more black than the rest of it, and we can now put whatever we want into our project. And the project is where absolutely everything happens, and you'll see that it's just rocked up over there. So yeah, that was how to create a new project. Let's now go on to the A cut of the video finally, where we talk about the basic editing move that all of editing is basically based around.